Hello and welcome to this video on how Chat GPT can be used for 3D content generation. In this video, we will be discussing how Chat GPT, a large language model trained by OpenAI, can be used for generating 3D content. As you may already know, Chat GPT is a state-of-the-art language model that has been trained on vast amounts of text data. It is capable of generating coherent and natural-sounding text and has a wide range of applications, including language translation, chatbots, and content creation. However, you may be surprised to learn that Chat GPT can also be used for generating 3D content. In this video, we will explore how this is possible and discuss some of the exciting applications of this technology. The basics of 3D content generation. Before we dive into how Chat GPT can be used for 3D content generation, let's first discuss the basics of this technology. 3D content generation involves creating three-dimensional models of objects or scenes that can be viewed from different angles. This technology has numerous applications, including video game development, virtual reality, and even architecture. However, creating 3D models can be a time-consuming and challenging process, requiring specialized software and expertise. The role of Chat GPT in 3D content generation. So, how can Chat GPT be used for a 3D content generation? The answer lies in the fact that Chat GPT is capable of generating text descriptions of objects and scenes with incredible accuracy and detail. By using these text descriptions as input, 3D models can be generated automatically. This technology is known as text to 3D, and it has the potential to revolutionize the way 3D content is created. One of the main advantages of using Chat GPT for 3D content generation is that it can significantly speed up the process. Instead of spending hours creating 3D models manually, designers and developers can generate models automatically based on text descriptions. This can also help to reduce errors and inconsistencies in the 3D models, as they are generated based on precise text descriptions. Additionally, the use of Chat GPT can help to democratize 3D content generation, making it more accessible to a wider range of users. Applications of text to 3D technology. Now that we've discussed how Chat GPT can be used for 3D content generation, let's explore some of the exciting applications of this technology. One potential application is in the video game industry. Game developers could use Chat GPT to generate 3D models of characters and environments based on text descriptions of their appearance and features. This could significantly speed up the game development process and allow for more complex and detailed games to be created. Additionally, the use of Chat GPT could help to reduce the costs associated with 3D modeling and animation. Another potential application of text to 3D technology is in the field of architecture. Architects could use Chat GPT to generate 3D models of buildings based on text descriptions of their design and features. This could help to streamline the design process and allow architects to visualize their designs more easily. Additionally, the use of Chat GPT could help to reduce errors and inconsistencies in the design, leading to more efficient and effective buildings. In conclusion, Chat GPT has the potential to revolutionize the way 3D content is generated. By using text descriptions as input, 3D models can be generated automatically, speeding up the process and reducing errors. The applications of this technology are numerous, from video game development to architecture. As this technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more exciting applications in the future. Thank you for watching.